What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2012 Dodge Charger and we're gonna program new keys for this car. So this car uses two different frequencies, the 315 and the 420/35, I believe so. So as you can see, these keys don't work, but we have the original right here that works. So I already pre-selected my car. We're gonna select the Dodge Charger and we're gonna read the pin number first on this car, and for that we have to close the switch and put the hazards on. So I'm gonna select automatic detection and now we're gonna wait. By the way, you don't need Wi-Fi for this. You can be connected with the car and not having Wi-Fi. So let's just wait. And it should give me the pin code. Okay, we're gonna select that is a smart key. Yeah, okay, turn off and put the emergency flashers, which are on. And we should get the pin number right away. Alright, that's the password, 4601. And now we're gonna go to control functions and we're gonna select immobilizer smart system. And for this, I believe we have to have the keys outside of the car, not close to the ignition switch, because we're gonna have interference. So we're gonna remove the original key out and another of this key out too. And just to make sure it doesn't detect the keys, we're gonna press this and it says key not detected, so we're good. And we're gonna work with one key first. So let's select key learning, another key learning, and it says turn off and turn the emergency flashers on. The flashers are on and we're gonna place the key to be learned in. It says only place one key inside to be learned in the vehicle and the other keys are gonna be outside. So there's two keys programmed, but we're gonna learn another one. So we press OK and it's gonna ask for the pin number, which we already have. Press OK. Alright, and as soon as it starts entering, it's gonna ask you to unlock. Press the unlock and unlock at the same time. So let's do this until we hear a beep. Place this gear close to the ignition on the cup slot. So we see here he already programmed the key, as you can see, and it says if you want to learn another key, we press yes, and we take the other key that we had, we put the other one away on the roof and then it says remove the current key, prepare another key to be programmed in the car slot. So we press OK and we're gonna see the same screen we had. So we press the unlock, press OK, and I heard the locks right away. So we have four keys already programmed, and now we just press no because we already finished. We exit this and now we turn off the hazards and let's see if the key opens the switch. As you can see, and it opens the switch. Let's see if it turns on, and it turns on, guys. So this is how you program the keys for a 2012 Dodge Charger. And if you have the remote start, it's the same thing. Challengers, pretty much all of them work the same. So I hope you liked the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like, comment down below, dislike if you didn't like the video, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.